Okay, here we are, the next house. This one's 300 square meter block. Alright, going inside. Thank you, Sayaka. Alright, with the torch, because this one we're looking at by ourselves. Alright, we don't need it at the moment. Shoes off here. Now, the owner of this house was a carpenter, and actually he was in the middle of renovating when he got sick and had to go to hospital. Unfortunately, he had to leave this place, so this is my first time to look at all this stuff. Alright, even got some sake. Alright, wow. All these things. What's his drink? Champion drink. Energy drink. Alright. Table, cabinets. Lights in here. Very, we say Showa, old style calendar. 1998. Wow. Look at this stove. This is gas. Yeah, gas stove, gas pipe. Alright, so looking at affordable heating here. This is the front room. What's this? Washing machine? All this stuff is included. I think I wanted yeah. Here. Ah, box for like sushi and a bento set. Very interesting. Blue sheets. Wow. Gold. Okay. Kitchen needs a bit of renovation. Connected there. Wow. Good knife. Excellent. Okay, go back out here. Storage. Lots of storage for cutlery, glasses. What do you think? Alright, this is what you call box for shoes, shoe box. What kind of things we got here? Legs, chair, table. Interesting. Okay, so this would be like a living room. Wow, still has blankets and old television, old radio. I suppose when renovating the place, be sleeping in here. Okay, come through here. Another kitchen. Oh, so this place could be used for 2 families, I suppose. Little outdoor space. In a greenhouse or somewhere to dry clothes. Would that be right, Saika? We've got through here. Oh, bathroom. Needs to be cleaned up. This has got electricity, light here for when you're doing Koji, doing the work. What's this here? New toilet. He was doing the wall here. New toilet. Bathroom. That can clean up fairly well. So I've been to a lot worse places than this. Quite good condition. Stove, heater. What's this room? Storage, living. What are these cupboards? These cupboards are new. Wow. Oh, you can still smell new smell inside. 2007 calendar. Wow, since this house has been lived in, I think. Hirupa Okamari, okay. Emergency number for someone to help. Is that right? Another bathroom. Fridge. Doesn't really make much sense, this house, unless it's for many people living here. Another toilet. Another toilet, so... this house must have been used for, like, for people to stay here, right? Like, bed and breakfast. Multiple people. Anyway. So quite big for Japanese home. Well, let's go through and see what's here. Wow. Power drill included. Oh, bandsaw. Yeah, this guy's got left all his tools here. Lots of carpentry tools. Yeah, Saika, what's this? It's for like kimchi or something?
Maybe
pickling vegetables. For a long time you leave them in here. And this gas again. Gas control unit. Okay, hopefully that's working. What have we got in here? Nothing. Storage. What's in here? More storage. Storage. Nothing in there. But fairly good condition. Just needs clean that mirror. Wow. Lots of space. Rope. Touch. It's all included in the house. Another drill. Hardware saws. Oh, big space. Supports. Interesting. Wow. So there must be